A pleasant day, everyone. I am Alan Usmag Jr. So, good day, especially to our classmates. Good day, B and 2B, and our instructor, Ma'am Betty. Ma'am, good day. In this video, we are going to talk about the movement of Earth. So, what is the difference between rotations and revolution of Earth, and how the effects of the four seasons, especially in the Earth and the rotations and revolutions, and what are the movement of Earth, what is the kind of movement. So let's begin. So before we are going to our topic, I'm gonna show you a short illustrations videos, and I'm gonna explain it that represents how the Earth moves. So let's begin. All you have to do, you will need a globe and flashlight or lamp. Then you have to place the globe in the table, and then imo siyang ispatan. And as you can see in a video, so ang flashlight is represent siya sa sun, and then the globe is pag imo siyang iwagan no sa front. As you can see, half of the globe will dark and half of the globe light siya, which is ang kanang light nga part sa globe, which is represents the day, or the reflections of the sunlight within the earth. And the other sides ngit man na siya da banda, which represents na siya as a kanang night or gabi. So that is a short illustrations of the video. So the important question is, how does the earth move? So basically, it is about the earth rotations and revolution. So first, we are going to talk about the rotations of earth. So what is the rotation? Basically, the everydays of the sun appears of the east and across the sky to the west. You can observe this day in day out, but the sun does not move from east to west. Instead of the earth spinning onto the axis of the regulars and steady once every 24 hours, the movement of earth is an axis is called rotations. Muna siya ang kanang rotations. And then it is direct of the rotations from west to east to counterclockwise. So as you can see in the clock, counterclockwise yun kayo na siya, dili na siya mobalik og kaning rotate. So basically ingana po ang rotations of kaning sa earth. So the earth is revolves around the sun and taking approximately 365 and 1/4 days to complete the circle, the full circle. This movement is what we call causes of the year, because our calendar has 365 days, which is we have to leap a year every 4 years to make extra quarters of days. So this keep our calendars align Earth's and revolutions. So the Earth's orbit around the sun does not have a perfect circle. Mo yun natong timan dili perfect circle ang ato ang rotation, ang orbit no sa kanang sa atong Earth. And then but rather it's significantly oval shaped siya shape. This means that the earth is something closer to the sun and something further away. So the earth is on it axis at 23 degrees. It is responsible the seasons we experience. So muna siya ang dahilan nung ga-experience ta og kaning different kinds of the seasons. Here in the Philippines, we have 2 seasons. As the earth orbits of the suns in the different parts of the earth receive the varying amounts of the sunlight due to its tilts. Muna siya ang kaning kuan. For example, no, during the summer of the kaning solstice around June 21st is a full tide towards the sun, resulting the longest daylight period of the north hemisphere. Conversely, the south hemisphere is experience a shorter daylight hours. As you can see, ako ang ipakita ganinang illustrations, giiwagan nato ang katong globe, di ba, makabantay mo na yung mga dark dito nga parts. So dito sila ang moto ginatawag nga southern hemisphere. So gamay lang dito ang amount of sun nga makakuan dito, kanang maka adto. And then ang southern hemisphere is kanang naay part sa ilaha dito nga dili mag kanang gamay ra ang kanang what you call this, gamay ra ang buntag, ang daylight, shorten lang ang ilang daylight compared to the northern hemisphere is the long term period of daylight sila. Now I'm gonna show you the video now. So this is the video. So the earth is as constantly spinning on its its axis. As you can see in the video no, tong giiwagan nato ang kanang kuan, ang bola ay ang earth gina-represent siya, or ang giiwagan nato sa flashlight. As you can see kanang naay mga part dito nga kanang dili siya maabot sa what we call this, sa sunlight. So para anang na diya sa video nga kanang ang spinning ingana naga-rotate ang ato ang earth. So basically moto siya ang kanang the cause of kaning day and night, katong pag-spin sa ato ang kanang pag-rotate sa ato ang sa atong earth. So that's caused the day and night. So the earth changes and its phase, creating day and night. Moto gi-explain na ko gaina no kung unsa ang kanang mga reasons why we experiencing a day and night. So let's move on to the effects of the rotations day night to the sun. So what are the effects of the rotations of earth no? Basically in the seasons, especially the seasons of earth. So what are the effects of that? Basically on earth we have experienced 4 seasons. So which is the spring, the summers, the winter, and the autumn, as you can see in the video. So the earth rotates in the imaginary line, which is called the axis. Explain ako na gaina no. So what are the ang earth is tuyok siya sa imaginary line, which is the axis. And then we have the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, as you can see in the video. So and also the earth is ang time and duration niya is 24 hours, which is equivalent to 1 day, and it is they have 365 days, which is composed of 1 year. So dara man nagipakita man sa video no, what is the rotations of the earth. And then also the earth has a tilt with 23.35 degrees. So during this gatilt ang kanang earth is it may affects the seasons of the country in different parts of the earth no. Now as you can see in the video, as the earth rotations and earth tilts with northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere experiencing the opposite season, which is the winter and the summer. So due to the tilt of the due to the tilt of the earth no. Now let's talk about the spring. During the spring, the on March 21st, the spring is it is a long period of time. So explain na ako na gaina no. So pag northern hemisphere is kanang ang spring season is kanang nagakuan siya is kanang ga-experience og long period of time due to the tilt of the earth. Now let's move on to the summer seasons. Now pag mo rotate na pud ang kanang earth no sa kaning summers, kaning mo na ni ang what we call this the summer, kanang mo tuyok na po siya sa imaginary line, which is the axis. Mo na ni ang gag-create na siya og kaning season nga summer, which is ang day and night. So now let's move on to the autumn. So the autumn is kanang mukuan when the northern hemispheres no is kanang moduol na sa kanang moduol na siya sa kaning sa sun. So diri na mo experience ang kanang mo lagas na ang kanang mga kuan, mga dahon, ang mga bulak is kanang ma-freeze na siya because kanang ang autumn good is kanang ga-experience siya og kaning short day and the long ang baliktad ang kanang autumn. Ang autumn is ka-experience siya og kanang taas nga gabi. So that is the autumn. Now, and finally, in the winter season, no, so as you can see in the video, nga kanang murag ni tagilid na ang kanang earth na to, ang southern hemisphere ana is kanang layo na siya sa kanang layo na siya sa kanang kaning kuan no sa sunlight. Then while ang northern hemisphere is kanang murag na naduol siya, mo na siya ang kanang ga experience ang ubang countries no og kaning winter season. So that's it no. So very as you can see in the video, gipakita man ako no kung what is the four season. Now let's move on to the revolution. So what is the revolution no? So ganina gi-define na nato what is the rotations and revolution. It takes the approximately 365 days to the complete and causes to the change in the season as the tilt of the earth of the axis causes of the different parts of the planet to receive the different amount of the sunlight. So as you can see in the video nga akong gi-show no, akong gina-show is kanang now as you can see in the video kung mo-tilt ang kanang kuan, mo-tilt ang kanang earth is kaning ga change iyang position no from ang northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere kay mura siya magpuli-puli siya. So as you can see in the illustration of videos, flashlight and the ball nag-spin nga na ga spin ang atong earth no. So basically nga na siya ga work ang southern hemisphere, and one of the examples of the experience ana is the Australia and the Europe and Asia. So muna ang mga nasod, as you can see in the videos. So Europe in New York especially ga experience sila og ganang gabi dito, while in the Philippines is buntag. So it is because ana is ang time zones are related so ang reasons ana is it is because the time zones are related to the movement of earth and time zone. So muna siya ang kanang ang cause no what is the experiencing for, and each of the time zones is represents the hours, and is the earth has divided into in 24 time zone. So the earth is divided into 24 time zones, and muna siya ang kanang noon is one of the zones, and the midnight is another time zone. So as you can see sa atong definitions, gi-divide siya into two no. Ang noon what is the time zone, and the midnight. So basically the question is what is it the earth is kanang ga movement siya ngan ay kuan, it is because the gravity of the sun keeps them to the orbits around the sun. So mo na siya ang reasons why is it ga orbit ang ato ang earth no. And then in the conclusion in my last video, so the rotations no, ang rotation is the spinning of the earth's of the axis takes approximately 24 hours by creating day and night, while the revolution is the movement of the earth's around the suns approximately 365 days to complete the causes of the changes in the seasons as the tilt of the earth axis causes a difference as seasons. Mo to siya ang katong four seasons, which is the spring, autumn, winter and the summer. So thank you for listening and watching our video. Thank you and God bless.